What if I told you that you can help the planet and your wallet with doing one simple thing? Break up and ditch single-use replaceable razor heads. You're wasting hundreds of dollars per year. Think about it. $25 to $40 per pack of razor blade heads when you can use this, the Smooth One Rose Gold Safety Razor. It's $37.50, you guys. Every blade, this guy, is 10 cents a piece. 10 cents per week. That's 40 cents per month. $37 for a reusable razor that you can use for years to come. Simply take off the top from the base, place your razor blade inside, replace the head, and voila, you have a reusable safety razor that's super sustainable and way better for the environment. You could save up to $400 a year. Think about it, $37 plus 40 cents a month, or $320 to $400 per year on razor blade heads. Save your budget and the planet with the sustainable reusable Smooth One on hiddenforestnaturals.com.